And now, your ABC6 Storm Tracker weather with Chief Meteorologist Jeff Denoyer.
11th is Friday. I love that, though. You listen to the story, you're like, huh, that's just so interesting. Temperatures today were in the low to mid 40s out there. And if we didn't have the wind, the sunshine in 40s would have been really nice because that's about what you can expect for this time of year. But the winds obviously were the issue. Rain last night, quick in, quick out, but the winds were going to linger, and they certainly did into the morning and afternoon. But in the last hour, they've backed off nicely. Big part of the forecast, though, the 40s that we have now, colder air north. What does that mean? Well, if it slides south and moves in and we get to the 20s and low 30s, colder air in place sets the stage for our next weather maker that will work up from the coast as we go in the day for tomorrow. I want to talk temperatures. I'm going to build you up and I'm going to bring you down. And what I mean by that is there's a lot of warmth in the next 5 days. Yes, it's a little chilly tomorrow, but temperatures go up Thursday, Friday. Saturday is setting up to be what could be a really nasty day. The temperature's only half the story, but still warm. And then colder on Sunday. With all this warmth for the next 5 days and the extended outlook for days 6 through 10 has much of not only southern New England way above average, but much of the United States above average. So you have to, if you're going to talk about snow, have these really well-timed or not well-timed, if you don't like snow, systems just kind of come in when there's just enough cold. We have not one but two in the 7-day forecast we're going to talk about. So for tonight, there's no snow tonight, just clouds building, winds backing off, temperatures colder than they have been, upper 20s to near 30 degrees. And then for the day tomorrow, clouds in place, colder air, upper 30s to near 40, and some snow arrives late morning, early afternoon. Now, March snow, when it's not like a big blockbuster snow event, is a tricky one to forecast for accumulation because your grassy surfaces and your decks and patios, you'll take pictures of them and be like, oh my goodness, look at all the snow. And then you go out to the road and there's nothing really going on. It's just wet roads. And that's because it's really hard to get that stickage. It's not a technical term, just stickage on the roads. Grassy surfaces, yes. Roads, no. So what happens is the roads stay mainly wet. Now, when we lose daylight after about 5:45, if it's still snowing, which I think it will be, that's when the roads could take on a little snow. We got to keep an eye on that. And it will impact the evening commute. So you wake up in the morning, cloudy. Snow arrives late morning, snow, near 40 during noontime, dropping to mid-30s, but above freezing the entire time. That's why a lot of the roads will stay mainly just wet. Where is the storm coming from? Here, you see all the rain. It's warm to the south, but as this starts to lift north and encounter that cold air that's in place, it flips it over to all snow for us. Some mixing may take place for areas like Cape Cod and the islands. So Futurecast tracking that system to the south. Clouds give way, or how about clear skies give way to clouds by morning. Pretty much overcast when you wake up. And then by mid to late morning, here comes the burst of snow. Temperatures at that point, mid to upper 30s. So again, snow comes down. It's annoying, you're upset, I get it, it's a nuisance snow, but what happens is the roads stay mainly wet and your grassy surfaces will pick up some snow. Going to the afternoon hours, still some snow, but some mixing along the immediate coast. And for areas south and east, your temperatures are generally mid to upper 30s at that point. And then into the evening hours, still precipitating outside, coming down in the form of snow, mixing at the coast, before finally this thing all wraps up by about 9, 10 o'clock and pulls away. We clear things out, get back into sunshine Thursday, and whatever snow accumulates on your grass, your patio, your deck, your car, parked car that is, it's all melting on Thursday because the temperatures are right back to near 50 degrees and it's gone. So we're going to go with a general coating to 2 inches. And I like that. I think that works for just about all locations. If you're going to get a 3-inch amount, it would likely be an area that has some kind of elevation like northwest Rhode Island or northeast Connecticut. But overall, though, a coating to 2 inches looks pretty good. The bigger concern, though, is not so much the snow for tomorrow. After a nice Thursday and Friday, watch out Saturday. That has just bad news written all over it. Rain, wind, dropping temperatures at night could turn to some snow and icy Saturday night before Sunday is brighter and cold and you turn the clocks ahead 1 hour. Tiffany.
Jeff. Still to come.